In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Fibonacci. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a chart in ACP, access the drawing tools, select the Fibonacci retracement, and plot it correctly so you can spot likely support and resistance zones with confidence. First, open your chart in ACP. Head to stockcharts.com/ACP in your browser. In the symbol box, type the ticker you want to analyze and press Enter or click Go to load the chart. ACP is StockCharts' advanced, interactive charting platform, so once your symbol loads, you'll have a clean, responsive workspace. Give the chart a second to render, and make sure the price action for the move you want to study is visible on your screen. The clearer the trend you're examining, the more meaningful your retracement levels will be. Next, open the Line Study tools. On the ACP toolbar, look for the Annotate or Line Study Tools icon. Clicking this opens a panel with drawing and annotation options designed for technical analysis. This is where you'll find all the Fibonacci tools, along with other handy overlays and measurements you might use later. Now, select the Fibonacci retracement tool. In the Line Study menu, choose Fibonacci retracement. You'll also notice related options like Fibonacci arcs, Fibonacci fans, and Fibonacci time zones. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on retracements because they're the most common way traders evaluate pullbacks within a trend. Let's draw the Fibonacci retracement. Identify the major move you want to measure. In an uptrend, click at the swing low that begins the move. In a downtrend, click at the swing high that kicks off the decline. Then, drag your mouse along the direction of the trend to the other end of that move, the swing high in an uptrend or the swing low in a downtrend, and release. ACP will instantly plot the key Fibonacci levels, typically including 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and sometimes 78.6%. These horizontal lines represent proportional pullbacks of the prior move and are commonly watched for potential support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. The 61.8% level, often called the golden ratio, is especially popular, while the 50% level, though not a pure Fibonacci ratio, is widely used because markets often retrace about half a move before deciding on the next direction. As you read the chart, look for how price behaves when it approaches these levels. Does it stall, bounce, or break through decisively? That reaction helps you gauge whether the prior move is pausing or reversing. Keep your anchors precise at obvious swing points for cleaner results, and remember that Fibonacci is a guide, not a guarantee. Use it to structure your analysis and to plan entries, exits, or risk levels with greater clarity.